Okay, I'm using screencast o-matic. Just downloaded it and just using it now because I've had awful problems with Elector. I've been using Elector, but it's always out of sync with audio. So I'm looking around for some new ones. This is screencast o-matic. So I'm going to record this, then I'm going to play it back, see how it works. So here we are. This is the home page, screen recorder. With our free and easy to use screen recorder, you can capture any area of your screen. Free to use, but it told me it has 15 minutes on the free edition. We've got 15 minutes. Might be enough for me usually. I rarely go over that. So if it's good, that might be fine for me. Ice cream screen recorder is good, but that was only 5 minutes. So let's have a look at this. Explore stock videos and images for your recordings. I don't think I need that. Take a look at that. Discover stock videos. Have a look in a minute. So, capture any part of your screen. Start recording. Add and size your. If you don't want to do, you can narrate from your selected microphone. Haven't tested audio yet. Add stock music. Is it stock music on this? No. Trim the start and end to remove unnecessary parts. One click to save to computer or upload to o-matic or YouTube. I'd save to computer and then upload when I fancied. Upgrade, so that probably costs. Draw while recording, pan and zoom. There's other bits. Upgrade for best screen recorder. I don't know if you can see it over there, or maybe only I can see it, but there's a time, the counter. Stop button in the bottom left. Stop button, which I think is an overlay. Advanced screen recording tools. Screenshot tool, drawing tools, expanded music library. I'll take a look at that. But I think that's for the upgraded stuff. Products, there's the products. A video editor as well. Personalize your screen recording, so that probably costs. Yeah, upgrade. Create and add animations. Zoom in and out. You can use your own zoom function on your computer, by the way. I've done that with another video. What else have we got? Ready to get all these things. Already said all that. Tutorial videos. Now we go to the footer. So, education for work. Let's have a look at this then. Explore stock library. Stock to enhance your videos. Explore. I don't think I'd need that. Let's have a look at one. don't see that helped me really. Let's take a look at some of the backgrounds. Background kits. Huh. I've seen that one before. Used that one. There's a wood texture. Well, I could get these sort of things anywhere. That's nice, that one. Purple texture abstract. Some kind of clouds, pink clouds. Sort of no big deal, that really. Could get them just anywhere. I'm trying to think of the name. Not ice stock. I'm trying to think of the name of that other popular one. I've done a video on it. Teal, white and pink paint. There's another wood texture. Another one. Well, I'll save that till later. I'm going to take a good look at all this. Might come in handy for GIMP backdrops. I don't see how that helped my video really, but anyway, let's look at some more. For education, for work. Let's have a look at what these are. Record, edit and share to connect with students, parents and okay. So for teachers, maybe wanting to do a tutorial, and for work, probably the same sort of thing. Accelerate business by engaging through video. Right, pricing. Let's have a look at that. So, build yearly, £1.50 per month. Go deluxe. Premier, £4. Let's have a look at this then. 9 great features on my one. Record screen, record window or full screen. So you can zoom in. Maybe bring the screen in. I'll show how you do that. So you can zoom in, trim recordings, captions, save to desktop, and has a quick share to Facebook, Twitter, and Google Classroom, whatever that is. Music Tracks 3. Well, I don't know what that is. Music Tracks. Let's have a look. Product video. Where do I get a track from? Not sure. Media assets, let's look at that. I'm looking for sort of tracks. I'm going to guess it has some sort of stock library of music. Media assets. Oh. I don't see why I want that. Let's look at this again. Stock library. There's just images. Popular videos. Popular videos. What can I add? A video? Oh. With the Premier plan, you can insert this video in. Maybe as a background or something. Maybe that's the point of it, really. Maybe as a background. Well, it looks very easy to use, but I'm not certain how it sounds yet, or how it saves. First time of using it. So it's been minimized there.